Welcome to GeoTactile Solutions training video covering photo importing for GeoJot Plus. In this video, we'll show the first steps required in processing a new project by importing the photos we wish to include. So let's begin. We open up GeoJot Plus, we come to the Import Photos tab. We've got a blank canvas here. We have two ways of importing. We can either use the wizard or we can import using a Windows Explorer. With Windows Explorer, we can either grab an entire directory and drop it in, or we can grab individual photos within the directory and drag those onto the screen. With using the wizard, we open up the wizard and it allows us to find our directory and then select our photos that way. We can either check all the photos in the folder or uncheck them. Or we can select individual photos. Here I'll select a few photos and then hit OK. Now our photos are imported into our project. And one thing important to note is the blue globe in the bottom left hand corner either has a green check mark or a red X. Green check mark lets us know we have GPS information within the photo. A red X means there is no GPS information in the EXIF data. In order to geotag this photo, there's a couple of ways of doing it, and it'll be in follow-on videos. But one is within the geotag wizard, another one is within the attribute editor and dropping it onto the map. In order to view our photos, we've got a number of options. We can keep them in a small thumbnail, medium, large, or extra large. When we select a photo, we can choose to delete that photo. We can choose to exclude the photo or include the photo. We can also select all of the photos. We can unselect them, or we can use our cursor and lasso our selection. Furthermore, we can sort our photos by a number of means, by file name, or date taken, or one of our memos. We can also arrange them in ascending or descending order. If we select the photo, we also have a couple more options. If we have drawn on that photo, in other words, put in some objects or some writing or arrows, we can reset that photo back to its original state. Also, if we've changed any of the metadata and the attribute information in that photo, we can also reset that information back to its original state. And we can also open up the photo in our external browser. A couple things to note. Imported photos are copied into the project's directory, leaving the original photos untouched, so at any time we can return to the original state of that photo. Also, the attribute editor and the photo editor both have the import photo option tool available to you. This concludes our training video. See you next time.